Alright, so this is going to be the first video. I'm making a vegetarian enchilada bake. I'm going to start with prepackaged salsas. So it's super simple, super easy, and a mixture of salsa casera, which is house salsa, and salsa verde. And then the base of this is white rice. This was 2 cups dry rice to 2 cups of water. Generally it's a 1-to-1 mixture. Just rice in. And then this is just canned black beans, and I'm just going to put them over top and try to spread them out a little bit. And then I'm going to use guacamole salsa. I'm going to use a significant amount here because this is going to be the enchilada part. So I'm going to take tortillas right here, corn tortillas, and I'm just going to layer them here. And then I'm going to put a little more of this guacamole salsa over top. And then I am going to spread it a little bit. And then I'm actually going to, since there's more on the bottom, I'm going to flip them. All right. So at this point, I'm going to go a little more of this salsa verde and the remainder of this guacamole salsa before I just put, this is just, you can use whatever shredded cheese you like. I'm going to use this whole 8-ounce bag though. So this is 2 cups of shredded Fiesta blend cheese. And then I'm just going to press it down. I'm going to put it into a preheated 375 degree oven for 20 minutes since the rice was already cooked. All I'm doing now is bringing it up to temperature, and it's a done deal. When that comes out after 20 minutes, ooh, nice and bubbly and golden brown. That is delicious.